Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can access and contribute to the FreeCAD part library. As you can see that I have opened here a vacuum pump, and best thing about this is that I have downloaded it from the FreeCAD part library. There are many websites over internet where you can download such part. For example, GrabCAD is there, 3D Find It is there, and there are the other website where you can find this type of standard parts. But best thing is that FreeCAD having also its parts library, but most of the free users are not aware about it. So in this tutorial I will explain you how you can access that part library, and at the same time how you can also contribute. For example, if you are learning the FreeCAD, if you have made any part or model from the scratch and it is your original part, or it has been designed by someone else and you have did some modifications, so how you can add your part to the FreeCAD part library, that we will learn here. So basically this video is all about how to access the FreeCAD part library and how to contribute. So we will switch to the browser. So here you have to visit on GitHub page of FreeCAD, and if you do not have a GitHub page, then please create an account on the GitHub page. So once you visit the FreeCAD GitHub page, then here you will get a FreeCAD library. Once you click on this, so you will see here the folders, for example architectural parts, computing parts, electrical parts, electronics parts, and here is the hydraulic. If I go in hydraulic, then I can get here vertical pumps, which I have downloaded and shown to you. Here is the mechanical parts. If you go under here, then you can get here bearing, coupling, fasteners, mounting profiles, pulley. If you go in the bearing, you will find so many things here. Okay, so for example, if I go for ball bearing and I have just opened it and I will say download. So this is the STL file, so no problem, we can also open the STL file. So we will go here and so this is the bearing, which is STL, and you can convert into the solids. So best thing about this is you can get almost all major parts. For example, bearing is there, pump, motor, and at the same times if you want to contribute, then you can also do that. So if you open the part library page and if you read here FreeCAD part library contributing to the community, then you can get all the instructions here how to contribute to the community, how you can add your part to this FreeCAD library. In fact, as I'm not a core developer, so I am just learning the GitHub and how to use the GitHub, and it is a very good thing that if you learn the GitHub, so you can if you learn the GitHub, then you can involve more and more communities. You can see the core developers of FreeCAD developers and you can follow them. And here you will, if you see here FreeCAD add-ons, you can see all the add-ons there, and you can here see the core sponsors, peoples of the FreeCAD. So this is a very small tutorial about how to access FreeCAD part library and how you can contribute to the FreeCAD part library. I hope you have liked this tutorial, and if you like my method of teaching and I want to support my work, then Please visit the ko-fi.com link given in a video description, or visit ko-fi.com/macnexus for the more information. So thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.